Damaging a ceramic tile doesn't mean you have to replace the entire floor. If you saved a few extra tiles, you're in luck. Follow these basic steps and you'll have your floor fixed in no time. Be sure to wear protective eyewear and gloves. Use a grout saw to remove the grout around the broken tile. Score the tile diagonally with a power tool or a carbide scoring tool until the cut is at least 1/16 of an inch deep. Strike the tile at the center of the intersection of the score lines with a point punch. Using a cold chisel and hammer, strike all along the scored lines where the tile is weak. Remove the adhesive from the floor with a chisel to make room for the new mortar. Use a square-notched trowel to spread and comb the thin-set mortar on the floor. Lightly back butter the replacement tile with mortar. Set the new tile in place and use a flat board and mallet to tap it down level with the existing tiles. Remove any excess mortar that squeezes into the joints. Wait 24 hours for the tile to set before applying grout. Check out the How to Grout a Tiled Floor video, also available on this site. Let the tile sit for 15 minutes. Then clean it with a scrub pad. Mist the grout for 3 days and apply penetrating sealer to the tile and grout. There you go. Your tiles are as good as new. Here's a reminder of the tools and material you'll need to complete this project.